Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's popular English phrase is easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. This means something that you got with very little effort has gone just as quickly as it came. For example, if you won £100 on the lottery and then you spent it in an hour on something not very important, you could say, easy come, easy go. The money's gone, but I didn't work for it. It wasn't hard to get. I won it. So, well, easy come, easy go. It's a phrase used to console yourself or to console someone else who got something easily but then lost it just as quickly. For example, if a friend put £5 on a horse race and they won £10, and then they put £10 on the next horse race and they lost, you could say, easy come, easy go. They didn't work very hard. It wasn't a lot of money. So it's some consolation to say, oh, well, you didn't have to work too hard for it. It's gone now. Never mind. Easy come, easy go. Another example is if you found some money in the street, a small amount of money, say £1 or £5, and you pick it up and you think, oh, brilliant, what a strike of luck. Put it in your pocket, and then a few hours later you look for it and you can't find it, and you've lost it. You could say, oh, well, easy come, easy go. I don't know where that went. It would not be right to use it in context where someone has lost a lot of money or something very valuable or something that took years and years to make or build. That would not be easy come. That would be hard to come by. So easy come, easy go, light-hearted expression to offer some consolation to a small loss that was not hard earned. That's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope this was useful. Please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you very much. And I will see you tomorrow for another high-frequency English word or popular everyday English phrase. Thank you. Bye-bye.